In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show the toolbar in MetaTrader 5. This is a very simple process, but it's also one of those small things that can make your trading experience much easier and more efficient. If you've opened MetaTrader 5 and noticed that your toolbar is missing, or you accidentally closed it and don't know how to bring it back, this walkthrough is for you. First, make sure you have MetaTrader 5 open on your computer and that you're looking at the main trading window. At the very top of the application, you'll see the main menu bar. This is the horizontal row of options like File, View, Insert, and so on. The option we're interested in is View. Move your mouse cursor up to the top of the screen and click on View in that main menu bar. Don't rush this part. Sometimes if you click slightly off, it won't open the menu. When you click on View correctly, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu controls a lot of the visual elements in MetaTrader 5, including different panels, windows, and of course, toolbars. Now that the View menu is open, look down the list of options until you see Toolbar. In some versions, this might say Toolbars in plural, but it will be clearly labeled in that section. Go ahead and click on Toolbar. Once you click on Toolbar, MetaTrader 5 will either show or hide the toolbar area, depending on its current state. If your toolbar was hidden before, you should now see it appear near the top of the platform, usually right under the main menu bar. You'll notice icons for common actions like opening a new chart, changing time frames, zooming in and out, and other quick shortcuts you use frequently. If nothing seems to change when you click, it can help to look carefully at the top of the window because sometimes the toolbar is already enabled but minimized or not where you expect it to be. You can also try clicking View again, then Toolbar one more time to toggle it. Once the toolbar is visible, you can leave it as is or customize which toolbars are shown, depending on your preferences, using the same View menu later on. That's all there is to it. By using the View menu and selecting Toolbar, you can quickly bring back your toolbar in MetaTrader 5 and keep your